Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prajwal from Indie Crypto, and today is a very sad day for all the cryptocurrency enthusiasts from India. Now if you're into cryptocurrency, you would have definitely heard about Zebpay, which is one of the first companies or one of the very first companies which helped in getting cryptocurrency to the masses in India, and they are shutting down as of today. Yes, so 2 hours ago, this was the email that was sent by Zebpay saying due to the regulatory and banking problems, they are going ahead and shutting down their exchange. However, the wallets will still be active. You can still use the wallets like normal cryptocurrency wallets that you use, and they will go ahead and cancel any unexecuted crypto orders. And so that's the news. So if you have any cryptos left out in the Zebpay wallet, you're free to still store it there, or if you ask me, it's recommended to move it to a more private wallet or other wallets which you have more control over. So this is a very sad news because Zebpay and Unocoin were one of the very first companies which helped Indians to get cryptocurrencies, to get Bitcoin in the first place in those days. Today it's very easy for us because we have several options, we have several new methods, but back in those days when there was no exchanges in India, there were only very few exchanges, and it was very difficult to get into Bitcoin and buy Bitcoin in India. Only Unocoin, Zebpay existed at that point, even local Bitcoins, yes, but it was very tedious with local Bitcoins, especially a lot of us didn't know whom to trust and how to get access. So that's when Zebpay came with a very good interface, and they went completely app-based route, like not like other exchanges like CoinSecure and Unocoin, who started with the web versions first. So that was actually a very useful thing, or let's say they pioneered the entire cryptocurrency space in India, and it's very sad to see them going. Although a lot of new exchanges like CoinX, WazirX, BitBNS and CoinDelta and others have moved on to the peer-to-peer method, Zebpay and Unocoin didn't take that step. They were still waiting for the outcome from the case that's going on in the Supreme Court. But as you guys know, the case hearing is just being postponed because the court doesn't have time to look into the case at the moment. And I think it's becoming very difficult for Zebpay to maintain the infrastructure and run the business without bank accounts, because without bank accounts, which Zebpay is totally relying on, I don't think there's the kind of volumes that's been happening on Zebpay that used to happen at one point on Zebpay. So I did go ahead and check on Twitter, and a lot of people are tweeting, a lot of people are expressing their griefs on Zebpay shutting down. Even the CEO of WazirX, Nishchal, is also tweeted saying although Zebpay is a competitor, that's unfortunate to see they're shutting down, and a lot of other people are doing that as well. So it's sad to see Zebpay going out, guys. So that is the update I wanted to give you on this video. What do you think? What are your thoughts? Please let me know in the comment section below. I'd definitely love to read them. So that's it in this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.